If you're over 50 and looking for a simple way to create a passive income, then in this video, I'm going to share 5 easy passive income methods that beginners can start today, even if you have no experience, aren't particularly tech savvy, and feel like you've missed the boat. Hi, I'm John's much cooler AI twin from One Offer Freedom, and make sure you stick around until the end, because the final method is the one I would personally choose if I had to start all over again from scratch today. It's also the method that gives you the greatest potential to create recurring monthly income instead of starting from zero every single month. Before we dive in, if you'd like to learn what I believe is the #1 passive income method for beginners over 50, my friend and business partner Mark has put together a free on-demand training class that walks you through the entire process step by step. You'll find the link in the first line of the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 5, dividend-paying stocks. One of the most well-known passive income methods is investing in dividend-paying stocks. When you own shares in certain companies, they may pay you a portion of their profits on a regular basis, often every quarter. The good thing is that once your investments are in place, the income can continue to come in without you actively working. The challenge, however, is that it often takes a fairly large amount of capital to generate meaningful income, and most people over 50 are looking for ways to create additional income without risking large amounts of money. Still, it's a legitimate passive income strategy and worth considering. But the next method requires far less capital and can often be started much faster. Number 4, create and sell digital products. Digital products can include ebooks, checklists, templates, guides, or simple training programs. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and potentially sell them over and over again. For example, if you've spent years working in a particular profession, caring for a family member, managing finances, gardening, cooking, or even traveling, you already have knowledge that others may be willing to learn from. The challenge is that creating products can take time, and many beginners get stuck trying to figure out what to create. That's why the next method can be easier for many people who don't want to build products themselves. Number 3, YouTube content creation. Now, before you panic and think you need expensive cameras and fancy equipment, you really don't. Many successful creators start with nothing more than a smartphone and a simple message. The reason YouTube is so powerful is that your videos can continue working for you long after they're published. A video you upload today could still be generating views, leads, and income months or even years from now. And once your channel grows, you may qualify for ad revenue through YouTube's partner program. But there is one problem. Building an audience can take time, and that's where the next method becomes very interesting. Number 2, build a simple email list. This is one of the most overlooked assets online. When you build an email list, you're creating a direct relationship with people who are interested in what you have to offer. Unlike social media, where algorithms decide who sees your content, your email list belongs to you. You can communicate with your audience whenever you choose and build trust over time. This is one of the reasons so many successful online businesses focus heavily on list building. And it also connects perfectly with the final method because it allows you to create recurring income month after month. Which brings us to my favorite option, number 1. Affiliate marketing with recurring monthly commissions. If I were starting from scratch today and wanted the simplest path to creating income online, this is exactly where I would focus. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting products or services that other companies have already created. When someone purchases through your referral link, you earn a commission. But here's the part most beginners never hear. Instead of promoting products that pay you once, I would focus on recurring commission offers. That means you make the sale one time, but you can continue getting paid month after month. Think about that for a moment. Instead of waking up every month back at zero, you're building recurring income that compounds and grows over time. This is one of the reasons I believe affiliate marketing is one of the best passive income methods available today, especially for beginners over 50. You don't need to create your own products, you don't need employees, you don't need inventory, and you don't need a huge audience. What you do need is a simple system, a targeted audience, and the right recurring offer. And that's exactly what I teach here on this channel. Now, if you'd like to learn the step-by-step system I recommend for beginners over 50, make sure you grab the free on-demand training class linked in the description. It breaks down the exact process and shows you how to get started, even if you're completely new. And before you go, make sure you watch the next video where I reveal why most people never escape the 9 to 5 and what I'm doing differently. I'll see you in the next video.